What a pretty little mermaid! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color is a Little Mermaid coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Ariel, Flower, and Sebastian. I hope you guys follow along with me. So let's get ready because I'll get started right now. Okay, so let's start on Ariel first. She has blue eyes. Her lips is red. And the inside of her mouth is dark red. Ariel has wavy red hair. And let's color in her skin light peach. And let's make her sister top purple. And her mermaid tail is light and dark green. So I'm finished coloring in Ariel. Let's color in Sebastian. His eye is yellow. His tongue is pink. And let's color in the red of his body, light and dark red. Okay, so I'm finished coloring in Sebastian. Now I'm gonna color in Flounder. He has blue eyes. His tongue is pink. And the inside of his mouth is red. Let's color in his fin and his stripes blue. And the red of his body is yellow. And I'm all finished coloring in Ariel, Sebastian, and Flounder. Lastly, I'm gonna color background behind them light blue. picture turned out so colorful. Ariel, Flounder, and Sebastian just look so happy together. And they are best friends under the sea. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry B from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye!